Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be starting with new topic which is a KPI. So as you know that whenever we are building any dashboard, the most important thing is a KPI, right? So everyone is just solving the question, like they don't know which KPI, right? So if you go to any of the company, right? The or maybe you are giving any interview for the product-based company or any client like D2C client or retail client or CPG client, you are giving the interview, right? If you are going for a Power BI developer interview, the first important question is like which KPI you solve it, right? So that is the most important thing. You can't just solve the question like average sale, total sale with that KPI, because what I experienced, if you want to grab a job, you need to be little bit more smart. You need to be you need to be more extraordinary from the other person, right? So gone are the days, I think, where you will be judged on the basis of rank, like third highest salary, because these are the common question. Like no one, like if I have given around 7 to 8 interview and no interviewer asked this question, like you need to give me a rank. They always ask, if you are giving the interview for the pro- product based company, they the most important question they would be asked would be retention rate. This is the most I have been asked. So, in this video, we would be covering some of the KPIs. I will help you, and on the basis of that, I will create a series that how we can solve with the help of DAX and how we can solve with the help of SQL. Because these two skill set we would be focusing on to grab a job, right? So, I have listed down some of the KPI. So we'll start with one by one. This is the first one, the first set of KPI that we would need to be focused on the customer KPI, right? So the first is customer acquisition cost. So I'll explain you also what the customer acquisition cost. So it is a cost to acquire new customer via marketing sale. For example, if I have a D2C brand of a say about I have a brand of Go Zero. It's a ice cream brand, right? So they would be, so no other people know their brand, right? So for that they need to first run a ad. They need to run a marketing to acquire a one customer, right? So you must heard about Instagram page, Instagram influencer, right? So what they do that, they higher. That is a cheaper option. But if they have a good budget, companies also run the ad. So we need to run the ad to acquire a new customer, right? So that is a customer acquisition cost. LTV is a what? So if I say I'm a very loyal customer for a Zepto. So I started the app on 1/1/2024, right? And till 12/31, what would be my LTV? Like, what is the total amount you have spent on the Zepto for a year, right? So on the basis of that, Zepto rank, like this is a very high-end customer. This is a second best customer, right? So it's a revenue generative for a customer during their relationship with the brand. Most of the companies check for the year, 5 years and 10 years. But if you are working for any small startup at D2C brand, you also check for the 30 days to 90 days as well. So that's LTV. Repeat purchase rate means what is a percentage of customer who bought more than one. So I bought a product in the month of Jan. I again bought a same product or different product in the month of February. So what is the percentage of a repeat purchase? Churn rate is number of customers who stop buying over a period of time. So for example, I have a D2, like I'm a Go Zero brand. I sell the ice cream brand. So now I need to check. I bought the first ice cream in the month of Jan. I bought the second ice cream in the month of Feb. Then continuously for the 2 months, I did not buy. And after 6, 7 months, I again buy because there is a gap of 3 to 4 months. So like most of the companies now, they also need to track that why did customers stop. So they can be other reasons as well. Maybe the competitor is having a cheaper ice cream, right? Maybe we have a different parameter, right? Their stock is going out of stock every time, right? So we have a different parameters of churn rate, right? So that's a churn rate. Retention rate, which I've told you, like it is a percentage of customer retained month over month. So if I say I have bought in the month of Jan, then I bought in the month of Feb, right? Then what is the r- retention rate per month? Like how many customers? So we have a new customer, and then we have a repeat customer. Retention rate is calculate on the basis of new into 1 upon new plus repeat into 100. So that's the formula of retention rate, right? So that is the most important question. I'll help you with the SQL question as well and with the tax as well. The third is NPS score. So NPS score is somewhere like customer uh, loyalty score based on the likelihood to recommend. For example, I have a app. So I have bought a product from Amazon, right? So I have bought a PS5 from Amazon. Now, this like most of the people don't know about that brand, right? So now uh, I will recommend the same product to my friend if I am very happy with the services, right? So customer, so if you have gone through the page every time, if you exit the app, you will get one feedback form that how likely you need to be recommend to your family to friend, right? Some of the companies also do that. So that's a NPA, which is a net promoter score. So cart abandonment rate means percentage of users who added product to the cart but they didn't purchase, right? For example, I surf on the Amazon for the first page, then I scroll to the second page, I add another item. So I add another item. So I have added 3 to 4 items. When it is proceed to checkout, I did not buy. So so that's a also important question, like what are the possible reason the customer didn't buy. So there can be the site is too slow, right? Because if the site is too slow, you will become fed up and you will not buy the product, right? Unless you require the urgent, then it is a different story. But if you are surfing for the first time and you like the price, then you won't buy if the price is low. I'm sorry, if the site is low, or maybe the site is fuzzy. The second option is like the site should be very easy to navigate, right? So if I surf to Amazon, the site is very easy. Like we have a categories column, and then we have a different products, and we can choose it from there, right? So that is a cart appointment rate. That is also the site should be very well like managed by the company, that so that whenever a customer come to my site, they can always like go to the product. Or also whenever we reach to the payment page, there are some of the servers that didn't accept the payment, right? So if I say I'm a phone pay user, right? So if that option is not available in my payment method, right? So that is also a like loss for the company, that you have not included, and you have not included that option, and the customer left that page, right? So that's a cart abandonment rate. Conversion rate means number of percentage of users who completed a purchase after visiting the site or app. For example, I have sent a link of that app to my friend, right? So say about there's a gaming app which is a betting app which is a Dream 11, right? So as you know that IPL is going on, and we have so many of people are playing that app, that game Dream 11, right? So I have shared the link with to all my friends. Like out of 50, I shared approximately 40 friends. No, I'm sorry, out of 50, I've shared to everyone. But out of 50, what is the conversion, how many person have download or install the app. It means 40 by 50 into 100, like what is a percentage out of total 50, 40 have been installed, and out of 50 they have like added the money, say about 3 to 4 people have added the money on the app. So that's the conversion rates, right? Average order value means what is the average amount spent you have spent per order, right? So average order value can take place per category wise. Average order value can take place monthly wise, year wise. So it is uh, calculated on the basis of these parameter, right? So uh, so today we won't be going for the SQL question, because I just need to tell you, like, I would be solving this SQL question now, and with the help of DAX also we would be solving. So I have created each category. So you can see that one is customer, then we have a sales KPI, which is sales KPI, then we have logistic KPI, marketing KPI, this is the product KPI, this is the user engagement KPI. So you can see that DAO and Mounties, these are the most asked also. Then we have customer support, which is a CSAT score, post support rating, right? So every time CSAT rating is if you have talked to the customer app. So if I say I have a problem with my Amazon app, right? So once the conversation is over, they always send you how likely you are recommend my service. So they give rating out of 5 to 4, right? So that's a CSAT score. Then this is a uh, miscellaneous KPI, average market. So everything I will explain you in the next session. So 3 to 4 days, I will try to cover these many key KPIs, and also will try to solve this question with the help of SQL, right? This would be the questions which I will be tracking. So it would be 10 questions, no, 9 questions I will need to solve with the help of KPI. First, we'll try to solve with the help of SQL, and then we'll try to focus on the DAX. So customer acquisition cost, still starting from this till average order value, right? So one important thing which I need to show you guys, like I need to show you with the help of. So as you know that this is a Jupyter notebook, right? So we have a feature in a Jupyter notebook known as Gemini. So as you know that, so what I did that I have imported these four like CSV files into this, and I've just told the Gemini to create a EDA. Like we need to just to perform the EDA on the basis of these four tables they have given, and it's a very pow powerful feature which they have come. Like it is been 1 month ago they have released this feature, and this is one of the most important feature which I think that it can. But also you need to know what the pandas do, like what the function of pandas. Pandas they basically use for the data analysis. So you can see that uh, first it uploaded a data set, right? So I will also take one session how we can use a Google collab with the help of Gemini if you want to train, and if you want to learn pandas or numpy, because it is very easy. Pandas is much easy as compared to a SQL, because SQL we need to have a required logic. In pandas we have so much of tools are there to help, right? So we have standard deviation, we have data cleaning, and we can remove duplicates, we have in place equal to true, right? So I will help you like once this series will complete it, I will show you how we can do with the help of Gemini. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like my video. If you like the video, please like the video, please subscribe to the channel, and also I will come up with more important updates on Power BI and SQL and Python, and also I will tell you how we can solve these kind of interview questions. So everything, it is basically more of a analytics channel where I will tell you from scratch. Okay, thank you and have a nice day, guys. Thank you.